Hi guys, today we're gonna make burger patty. So here's the list of ingredients. Here's the list of ingredients. Ground beef, mashed red onion, mashed garlic, nutmeg, pepper, and also salt and oil, egg, and cheese. It's time to mix the spice in ground beef with egg and mixing it with our hands. What's that light coming from? Is it from the doctor? It's not from the doctor. Anyways, I like the smell of this beef. I don't like the smell of the beef. Make me want to eat it, but it's raw. I'm going to shove it into a burger patty. The patty is ready. Now, I'm going to put oil on it before my mom cooks it. My mom's gonna cook it along with the bun. The patty and burger bun is ready. Now we're going to prepare for the burger. Let's taste it, the moment of truth. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye.